What's up guys, and welcome back to another G35 video. In today's video we are going to be taking the G35 out to the canyons to have some fun. So one of the things that I did to the G35 off camera was swap the wheels with the track tires that I run. So these are the Federal RSR Pros and I'm running 245 all around, and I honestly think they're really good for what they are. They definitely serve their purpose. So for the people that are following along with the channel, you guys would know that I ended up going on a track day, and the whole track day I actually didn't have my sway bar, my front sway bar fully connected, and I really hate myself for that because I didn't go ahead and check even on track if my sway bar end links were all good to go. So I did find that out recently and I went ahead and fixed it off camera, and the car drives way better. The sway bar made the turning in response so much better on this car. So in today's video, like I had mentioned, we are going to be taking the G35 on the canyon. So we are in Ojai, California, and we are going to be taking that road all the way up and all the way down. I've already driven in that road and it's honestly a really nice road to drive in, so I'm excited to take the G35 and take you guys along for the ride. If you guys remember last week's video, I ended up installing test pipes on the G35. So this is going to be a really good video to show you guys how loud the test pipes are. There are a couple tunnels as well, so that's going to be really fun to hear. And not only that, we are going to be doing a POV drive, so I'm going to have a GoPro strapped onto my forehead, and we're also going to have this camera mounted on the sunroof, so we'll have a nice POV, and then we'll also have this camera showing. So I'm going to go ahead and set up the camera, and then we'll go ahead and hit the canyons. Brakes work. Alright guys, so that was me going up the whole trail, so you guys can see it leads all the way up here. It's such a nice view. But yeah, we ended up making it up all the way, so it was really fun. I did have traction control on like the majority of the time, and I forgot to turn it off. So something that I didn't do, and that happened to me at the track as well, is I didn't go ahead and put the BC coils on full stiff. So the suspension was all over the place when I was driving up here, but when we're going down, I'm gonna go ahead and put a full stiff, and it should make a big difference. I hope you guys are enjoying the content so far. This is honestly really really fun to make, just being able to drive the G35 and show you guys where I'm driving. So definitely leave a comment if you're enjoying these. This definitely helps me out knowing what I should be making more of. Maybe next time I can also show you guys a different spot I go to. It's really fun as well, and it's a very popular one. But with a view like this, no clouds, it just feels really nice to be driving the car around. So what I'm probably gonna do is go ahead and let the G35 cool off for a bit, and then I'll go ahead and drive down and we'll do the driving portion as well. Putting the coilovers on full stiff makes this car a completely different car. That uphill was way worse than this was. I felt like I had way more control of the car with it full stiff. It was way more predictable. It definitely made it easier to drive. That was a lot of fun. It was way more fun going down than going up, just because I did that minor tweak and I really felt how the car was reacting. I didn't go 10 out of 10 on the driving just because I know that it's not a place to be doing that. We're up in the mountains, any wrong turn, going against people, you know, I don't want to be doing that. Obviously at the track, I'd go a lot harder because I feel more comfortable if I spin out, if I lose control, whatever it is, I'm able to have that luxury of going out of the track instead of, you know, off the mountain or into another car. I definitely recommend checking out a track and doing this for yourself. It's so rewarding, so fun. Driving in the canyons made me realize how much I missed driving on the track. It was such a fun experience, and doing this just reminded me of doing that again, and I might be looking into going to another track day event just because it's so much fun and you learn a lot. That's gonna be all, guys. That was it for the POV driving portion of the G35. I hope you guys did enjoy that. It was really fun to make. I enjoy driving this car every time I beat on it. I definitely want to go to the track more often. As far as a difference from full soft to full stiff, it was a night and day difference. It made the car way more predictable, way better to drive, and I could push it a lot harder. So that's something I need to keep in mind when I go to the track to do full stiff, because it does hurt my lap times when I'm not doing that. The first half of the driving portion, when I'm going up the whole way, you could definitely tell that I wasn't fully committing to the corners or driving aggressively. And then the second half, I was definitely driving way more aggressive, and I can feel the car way better. That's why I could go ahead and drive harder. But if you guys did enjoy this video, give it a like. Go ahead and comment what you guys thought about the driving portion. Go ahead and comment if you guys want to see more of it as well. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. Plenty of G35 content on the channel already, and more to come this year. Like I've been saying in the past 2 videos, the goal this year is 25,000 subscribers. So go ahead and leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.